Okay, back again. Had another interruption to the video, another phone call. This one it was from my uncle in Africa. He's calling to check up on me. So I didn't want to leave the video the way it was, just cut off in the middle without ending it. So this is going to be the end of the video. I put out, this will be my third video so far, and all for post-op day 1. So honestly, I don't think I can remember what I was saying last before I got cut off, but um, I just want to thank you all. Thank everybody that has been there for me before and after, helping me out. And it is unfortunate that my family cannot be here. It is, they wanted to be here. My uncle, who is in Africa, Ghana, thousands of miles away. It is very expensive, and he has family down there and has businesses down there. He could not leave. He tried to put things in place before coming, but he was unable to. So here I am by myself. My cousin in Canada as well. He just got back from Africa. He lives in Canada but went to Africa for visit slash business arrangements, and got back to Canada not too long ago. So he too could not, and he also has business in Canada. Unfortunately, he could not come, but they're all aware of what's going on, and they're very close, and has been calling and checking up on me. And so that's that. Right now, I need to get some sleep. I took meds a couple hours ago, and I have to take my Lovenox. I have to watch a video and see how to do that. This is the first time I've been giving myself a shot. It's a subcutaneous shot in the stomach area around the belly button. Oh, that means I have to remove my band. For the first time, I'm going to have to remove this thing and put everything back together. I hope I can do this on my own. I'm going to give it a try. I've never given myself a shot before. I hate shots, but we'll see. I have to do that at noon. Here's my drain bag again. Slowly coming along. And here's the other. On this side, it drains less. This is the right side. I always get more drain on the left rather than the right side. Okay, that's what contributes to the swelling as well. More swelling on the right side, less on the left. I don't know. This is my first tummy tuck, long awaited tummy tuck. I finally have figured out what it is that I have and what could be done about it. And I have finally have done it. I was nervous and scared leading up to the surgery. When they took my blood pressure and my heart rate, they said my heart was up to the roof, but it was understandable, and they weren't concerned about that. So that's that. I'm gonna go and get ready for the next step and try and get some sleep. I still can't hear too well. I can't hear myself talk. I can't hear the TV. I can't hear people when they're talking to me. So I don't know. I hope within a couple of days my throat will get better. Yeah, and then on top of it all, I have my period, like I had said before in one of the videos. I have very, very bad periods, and I bet that is what's also contributing to my stomach pain and the bloating. So I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching and sticking out with this video till the end. Please like and subscribe for more. If you have any questions you want to know, let me know. Put it down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer for you. Okay? My first tummy tuck, I don't know what to expect. I'm also researching as I go along, and for the recovery process as well. So anything I find out and anything that works for me that I come up with, I'll be more than happy to share with you. I want this video to be an educational one. I want to touch up on things that other people haven't in their videos, and be realistic about it, not sugarcoating it. It is very painful. It is very painful. The hardest part for me right now is getting in and out of bed. My bed is quite high. I do have a stool that I step on and off of it to get off bed, but it's still not easy. It would be very helpful, I believe, if somebody was around, hold my hand, put their hand behind my back, and help me to stand up. I don't have that. I don't have that. This makes me miss my family very much. And I think I'm going to get out of here before I start crying. Have a good day. Thank you.